Good night, everyone. My name is Guillermo Enrique Campos. I'm 36 years old, and I'm a student of two level of English. I tell you about last vacations. Last December, I went to Tena in Cundinamarca because my mother lives in this place. I try every December to travel, and I try to share with her these special moments. I remember what we played cards, we eat a lot of fruit, and we ride it bike. We like it, we love it. And I can remember we went to a special place. This special place is called by people of the region Tambo Falls. And Tambo Falls is a weather heart of the Tequendama region. I remember what we went to a natural swimming pool, and when we returns to house, the clothes dry faster because the weather in Tena is sunny. In special days, we share together December 24 and December 31. We made special dishes, and we celebrate together the new happy year. At January 4th, this is a special date for us because it's my birthday's Mother's Day, and we celebrate this special day. I can remember we don't spend much money because if you have a parent in this place, you don't need a hotel, and your rest is not expensive, is economical. I think you should know this place because Tena is near to Bogota, and the weather is temperate, and this place is not bad. I recommended you this place, and we return it at January 8th, and I want to travel this year to Tena again. And when you arrive here in Bogota, you say, "Oh my God, why these vacations were the fastest of my life?" And it's all. Thank you.